In the heart of Barcelona's NoLo district, a first-floor apartment undergoes a transformative restoration, seamlessly marrying historical charm with contemporary design. A steel beam, a relic from past interventions, takes center stage, not just as a decorative element but as a symbolic link between the apartment's storied history and its present incarnation. The living area becomes a showcase of modern aesthetics with a sage-colored island adorned with three-dimensional tiles, accented with gold leaf for a touch of opulence. This island serves a dual purpose, functional and symbolic, connecting with the exterior and becoming a focal point in the space. Preserving the apartment's history is paramount in this restoration, and the steel beam becomes a testament to this commitment. A hallway, offering a glimpse of a wall covered in gold leaf, establishes a visual connection to the outside world from the entrance. The restoration project doesn't merely cling to the past, it boldly introduces modern elements. The corridor, flooded with natural light from 4 windows, becomes a bright pathway that enhances the continuity of the living spaces. A full-height retractable panel provides flexibility, allowing the bedroom to be separated when needed. Venturing further, a vibrant environment unfolds, characterized by bold colors. Behind a geometric curtain pattern lies a walk-in closet, while a rust-colored wall conceals the entrance to a meticulously designed bathroom. Ceramic tiles in varying sizes and colors harmonize the geometries of the shower, complete with a bench, and a sink top with a full-wall mirror that cleverly amplifies the sense of space. The apartment's first-floor location in a Ringhiera building had lost its characteristic elements over the years. However, this restoration breathes new life into the space, combining contemporary furniture with design classics. The unity is established by a uniform oak floor, meticulously laid in a French herringbone pattern.